A Galaxy A55 might keep losing signal due to software glitches, physical obstructions, or network-related problems. If you're experiencing signal loss, the first thing you should try is a force restart. This can resolve minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. To do this, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the device vibrates and restarts. When you see the Samsung logo, release the buttons and let the device boot up fully. If the problem persists, try moving to an open area. Buildings and large structures can sometimes interfere with your phone's signal. Another effective solution is to reset your mobile network settings. To do this, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General Management, then select Reset. Choose Reset Mobile Network Settings and tap Reset Settings to confirm. If the signal issues continue, it's a good idea to contact your carrier or service provider. There might be outages or other network-related problems in your area. Reaching out to tech support is also a way to report the issue and get further assistance. We hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials.